Hello friends and welcome back. Chuck here with Best Backpacking Channel. I'm going to do a quick repair on some tent stuff today, so I figured I'd show you what I'm working with. So I have this tent pole here, and the way that this one is constructed, you have a peg that connects to a hook that connects it to other tent poles, and then you have the internal bungee cord, and that's held onto this peg with, in this case, it's a little bit of a hook. The problem that I'm having is on the other end. As you can see, the hook and peg has come off, bungee cord is loose, and now this other piece that is supposed to be connected to the system, no longer connected. And obviously it's a bungee cord. It doesn't want to just go straight through. So I'm going to show you how to deal with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get as much slack as I can. So I'm going to pull and pull and pull, and then hold on to it and start feeding it through. At first it'll seem like not a lot's happening. It'll seem like you're not making any progress, but you just keep going and it'll get there. So this next part's not too exciting to watch. So I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about, I know we've talked before on this channel about the ivory-billed woodpecker, whether it is extinct, whether it's not extinct, the vested interest that would make a lot of money from it being extinct, because now we don't have to protect those wild areas and we can develop them, pollute them, do whatever we want. And there's another company out there that's gotten a lot of press lately that claims that one of the things they're doing is bringing animals back from the extinct. And whether or not what they're doing is really bringing animals back from the extinct, kind of irrelevant. But they're one of these big venture capital-backed companies. They're based out of Silicon Valley or Austin or something. And they're claiming they're bringing animals back from the extinct, and they say it's a great thing. It's the official opinion of this channel and of me, Chuck, that a for-profit enterprise with a vested interest in more animals being extinct is not part of conservation and can never be. Because they're a for-profit company, and the more animals that go extinct, the more they have to work with. So really, I would believe that they are not doing anything helpful, and obviously it can't be conservation because their job is not conservation. It's quite the opposite. So don't trust them. All right, well, that didn't quite work out the way I had planned to. Anyway, so I'm going to find another way to repair this, but just remember, if somebody's making money off of animals being extinct, they're not part of conservation, and they're not your friend. See you later.